Hello everyone, this is Rocky. So in this video, I'd like to show you our newest 4K 60Hz modular matrix switcher with TV wall function. So right now we start from the source, and right now you can see here we got a PCI and HDMI output, and also we got line port here. So later we can use this line control with the web grid to control the whole system, and with also the video setup. So right now you can see here we got the 18 by 18 modular matrix switcher, and this is the front panel. On the rear panel right now you can see here we got 4K 60Hz HDMI input card, and all the input cards with the 3.5 audio embedded function. And this part is going to be the control, and we have the line control and also the R32, and also we have the backup control, line port 2, and also the comp 2. And for the outputs, we have 12 4K 60 HDMI 2.0 output cards, and all the output cards, we also have the 3.5 audio the embedded function. So for the power supply, we actually can support the redundant power supply. So right now we're only using one power supply here, but we actually can use another power supply on this side. So on this side right now you can see here we got 12 monitors here. It's actually very 3 video wall and a 2x2, 3x2, and another 1x2 on the bottom side. So we get back to the control PCI to say how to use this web grid to control the whole system and also set up the TV wall function. So as long as we got the line cable connect to the modular matrix switcher, and we just type the IP address in a browser, it's going to be 192.168.0.80, and we just press enter, and then we need to log in. Both of the username and password is admin. We just click to login. After login, we can see right now we have the manager, switch, center, caption, setup, logout, more, all type of functions here. And this part is going to be the input part. So on the input part, we also can change the name here, like the PCI player, and we can rename the inputs. For the outputs, we also can rename. And here we got some shortcuts like the do the switching. If you want to switch the PCI to all the outputs, we just select PCI and click here, and it's going to be switch all the outputs. And also same player. You can see it's actually can support the seamless switching. And also we can do one by one. This is actually about switching, so we just go to the new function for the TV wall function. So for the TV wall function, actually right now we already set up 3 view TV wall here. Actually, we can delete them first. Delete the first one. So we already clean, delete all the video. So right now you can see it's actually just like modular matrix, or the screen showing the same source from the player. So if we're going to add a new video, and we can see here we got X and we got Y, so we just type, we're going to 2x2, so we just type 2 for the X and 2 for the Y. Then we just click add, and you can see right now we already have a new video here. So we just drag the outputs to this one. So right now you can see it's already showing like a video or 2x2 on this corner. And if we're going to do one more, and also we can do just like do another 2x2. Just add another 2x2, and we just drag. But we need to notice that just because we're gonna get the output repeat. If you want to get a repeat, and it will pop up like the output is not repeated. So we need to drag the output 3, output 4, output 7, output 8. And also once we select the input source, we click the video, it will do the switching. Player, You can see it's actually supposed to be seamless switching. And now if we're going to add one more, and maybe we can do like 1/2. So right now we have a 1/2 video here. So we just drag the these two here. Just because we only have 12 screens, so it's going to be 9 and 10. So you can see here, it's showing like 1/2 video wall. Okay, this part is about how to do the video function by this web GUI. If we're going to delay this one, and also we just delay the third one, so we just type 3 here, and then we click delay. You can see just back to the okay, thank you so much. This is about the video function on our 18x18 modular matrix switcher. I hope you like this video and this product.